The Handler Protocol, Episode 8, Reconstruction. Healing is not becoming who you were before. My name is S. I am the Handler. And one of the hardest truths about healing is realizing you will never become the person you were before the damage happened. Because trauma changes people, loss changes people, survival changes people, pain changes people. And sometimes, human beings destroy themselves trying to return to versions that no longer exist, trying to become softer in the same ways, more trusting in the same ways, more innocent in the same ways. But healing was never supposed to erase what happened. Healing was supposed to teach you how to carry it differently. That is reconstruction. Not pretending the damage never happened, not romanticizing survival, not becoming emotionally numb, and not rebuilding yourself into someone emotionally untouchable. Real reconstruction is far more difficult than that. It is learning how to remain human after life gave you reasons not to. It is rebuilding identity without rebuilding the self-destruction attached to it. It is learning how to feel safe without becoming naive, how to stay soft without losing boundaries, how to trust without abandoning discernment, how to love without sacrificing self-respect. Because many people survive trauma physically while emotionally remaining frozen inside the moment that broke them, still reacting from it, still protecting themselves from it, still building identities around it, still expecting life to hurt them in the exact same ways forever. And eventually, their entire personality becomes organized around avoiding pain instead of building peace. That is survival. But reconstruction asks a different question. Who are you when survival is no longer the mission? That question terrifies people, because survival gives identity through urgency. Healing gives identity through responsibility. And responsibility means confronting every version of yourself created by pain. The angry version, the fearful version, the emotionally detached version, the hypervigilant version, the version addicted to chaos because chaos feels familiar, the version that sabotages love before love can leave first, the version that learned control instead of vulnerability, the version that survived but forgot how to live afterward. That is why reconstruction feels uncomfortable, because healing is not simply emotional relief. It is identity transformation, and transformation requires grieving. Grieving the years lost to survival, grieving the nervous system constantly trapped in fear, grieving the innocence trauma took away, grieving the relationships destroyed by unhealed pain, grieving the version of yourself that spent years believing exhaustion was normal. But grief is not weakness. Grief is evidence that something mattered, and eventually, healing stops becoming about returning to who you once were. It becomes about creating someone wiser, more aware, more emotionally disciplined, more self-respecting, more honest, more emotionally safe. Because reconstruction is not rebirth into innocence. It is evolution through awareness. Some of you survived things that should have destroyed you completely, and maybe the goal was never becoming untouched by it. Maybe the goal was becoming someone capable of carrying pain without allowing pain to become your identity forever. That is reconstruction. My name is S, and this was the Handler Protocol. Truth, pressure, transformation.